Hello, once again most welcome to Brillians Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the inductive effect. So inductive effect actually is the polarity developed in the carbon chain due to the shifting of sigma bond electrons by the atom or group of atoms attached to the carbon chain. So first I am going to write here the definition, and after that main points I am going to write here, and with the help of examples I am going to explain, right? So here it is the polarity developed in the carbon chain by shifting of sigma bond electrons due to the atom or group of atoms attached to the carbon chain. For example, here is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and halogen, chlorine. So chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, right? So chlorine, here is the shared pair of electron. Chlorine attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself and make this bond polar, and due to this chlorine gets some negative charge in it, right? And carbon gets some positive charge. And as the distance increases, the positive charge decreases. That means the I effect depends on the distance. As distance increases, the I effect decreases. Means due to the I effect, the positive charge comes on the carbon atom. If a releasing group is there, then it gets a negative charge, whatsoever it may be. The charge gets decreases as the distance increases, right? So here some charge develops on the carbon chain due to the atom attached by the shifting of the sigma bond electrons. So here in this example, electron density decreases. Electron density decreases in this example, right? And this is the atom attached. Atom attached to carbon chain. Electron density and electron density increases on it, right? In one more example, here is the electron density decreases in the carbon chain. One more example in which the electron density increases. So here suppose carbon is there and 3 alkyl groups are attached to it, and here is the positive charge on it. This is the carbocation. So alkyl group is electron releasing group. Electron releasing group. So it increases the electron density to the carbon attached. So here, because 3 alkyl groups are there, alkyl groups electron releasing group, it releases the electrons towards the carbocation. Because of that, its positive charge decreases. That means this carbocation becomes more stable. If we are going to compare with 2 degree or 1 degree carbocations, I am taking here just an example this because I am going to show here the electron density increases, right? So this also shows I effect, right? This is the another thing, whether it is plus I or minus I, that will come in the types of the I effect, inductive effect, right? Now next point is about the inductive effect. It is indicated by I, right? And I stands for in gold. In gold, that is the scientist, after a scientist name, right? Okay. Now next, I effect is distance dependent. As distance increases, I effect decreases. So I effect is depends on distance. As distance increases, I effect decreases. Right? As I is proportional to 1 upon distance. Right? Here the next point is only partial charge develops due to the I effect. Only partial charge develops. Here partial charge, here partial charge, right? Now the next is, it is a permanent effect. Now next, it is a weak effect and negligible after 3 or 4 carbon atoms. So it is weak effect and negligible after 3 or 4th carbon atom in the chain. Now next point is, it operates through sigma bond. So as you see here, the sigma bond, it is in the definition also, the sigma bond electrons shifting, so it is operates through the sigma bond. Now the next point is, for non-polar bonds and hydrogen, the I effect is 0. For non-polar bonds and for hydrogen atoms, I is equal to 0. Right? Now these are the points about the inductive effect. One more thing also here, you may clearly observe here, if electronegativity difference is there between the atom attached and the carbon, then the shifting of sigma electrons takes place, right? That means a main thing is there, the atom attached, atom or group of atoms attached to carbon chain must be more than or less than the carbon atom electronegativity En difference, right? So this is also a criteria to develop the I effect in the molecule, right? So next move to the types of the inductive effect. So types of inductive effect. Inductive effect is of two types, minus I and plus I. So inductive effect, I effect, is of two types, minus I and plus I, right? So one more thing I would like to ask you, If you like my method of teaching, my questions, my descriptions, then please like, share and subscribe. Subscribe the channel and like the videos. So here, share as much as you can with the students, the lectures, because each and every concept must be in the reach of the students, right? So please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.